Welcome to a cozy and inviting world of fall home decor. In this video, we'll explore how to transform your home into a warm and welcoming retreat, perfect for enjoying the crisp autumn days. We'll focus on key elements like color palettes, natural materials, and cozy textiles to create a truly inviting atmosphere. Living room. Introduce warm, earthy tones like burnt orange, deep red, mustard yellow, and forest green. These colors evoke the feeling of autumn leaves and create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Incorporate neutrals like cream, beige, and brown for a balanced look. Layer cozy textures like chunky knit blankets, faux fur throws, and velvet pillows. Use textured rugs to add warmth and depth to the space. Consider incorporating corduroy, tweed, or cable knit fabrics for a classic fall look. Incorporate natural elements like wood, wicker, and stone. These materials add a touch of rustic charm and connect your space to the changing seasons. Consider adding plants or autumnal foliage for a natural touch. Incorporate wooden bowls, trays, and decorative objects to bring warmth and texture to your living room. Dining room. Create a festive table setting with autumn-themed tableware, candles, and seasonal centerpieces. Consider using plaid tablecloths, flannel napkins, and fall-colored placemats. Use warm-toned lighting to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Consider adding string lights or lanterns for a festive touch. You can also use candles in different shapes and sizes to create a warm and inviting glow. Incorporate cozy textiles like plaid tablecloths and flannel napkins for a warm and inviting dining experience. Consider adding a throw blanket to the backs of chairs for added comfort. Add autumnal touches to your kitchen with seasonal decorations like pumpkins, gourds, and fall foliage. Arrange these items on your countertops, windowsills, or hanging baskets. Use autumn-themed kitchen accessories like mugs, dish towels, and pot holders. Consider incorporating fall-inspired patterns like leaves, acorns, or pumpkins. Consider using warm-tone lighting in your kitchen to create a cozy atmosphere. String lights or lanterns can add a festive touch, while dimmer switches can create a more relaxed ambiance. Hallways. Decorate hallways with garlands, wreaths, or seasonal artwork. Hang a beautiful autumn wreath on your front door to welcome guests. Bathrooms. Add a touch of fall to your bathroom with autumn-themed towels, rugs, and soap dispensers. Consider placing a small pumpkin or gourd on the counter or a vase of autumn leaves in the bathtub. Bedroom. Layer cozy blankets and throw pillows in warm autumnal colors. Consider using flannel sheets or duvet covers for a cozy and inviting feel. Add autumnal touches like fall-themed artwork or a vase of autumn leaves. Place a cozy throw blanket at the foot of your bed for added warmth and comfort. Use soft, warm lighting to create a relaxing atmosphere. Consider using a bedside lamp with a warm-toned bulb or string lights draped over your headboard. By incorporating these elements, you can transform your home into a cozy and inviting autumnal retreat. Remember to personalize your space with items that reflect your unique style and preferences. Enjoy the warmth and beauty of the season in your beautifully decorated home. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your favorite cozy fall home design inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love the next one.